Do our first lesson on lesson 15.1, and that's called the mid-segment theorem. And it's really relatively simple. If you have a triangle, any triangle, and you find the midpoints of each of two sides, so that this is equal to this, and say that's the midpoint, so that this is equal to this. If we connect those two lines right there, that line is said to be the mid-segment. And there's a relationship between that and this segment down here. And that relationship is if this length, whatever AB is, and I'll call this CD, then the relationship is that AB is equal to half of CD. So that's just the relationship we have, or this is half of this, or if I know this one, I double it to find what CD is. So let's look at a couple of examples. I made up a worksheet here, and so we want to find what the length of BD is. Notice that N is the midpoint of this side, and M is the midpoint of this side. So I know that this is half of this. So that means that BD has to equal 10. The mid-segment is 4. This length down here then is going to be 8. If this one is 18, the mid-segment then is half of that, so that's 9. And likewise, if this is 24, its mid-segment is half of that, so this is going to be 12. Now, where they get a little more challenging is where it's algebra. Okay? And I like to do these rather than use the fraction. I like to think of just doubling the mid-segment, and it equals this one. So if I did 2 times the mid-segment, that's going to equal the bottom of the triangle. Now it's a matter of solving that algebra problem. 4x minus 14 equals 2x minus 2. Subtract the 2x over and add 14. And we get left over here 2x. So those cancel out. Over here the x's cancel out, and we get equals 12. So x equals 6. If we look at this example, the mid-segment is 2x minus 7, so I double that to get the bottom of the triangle. So 2 times 2x minus 7 has to equal x plus 4. Multiplying it out, 4x minus 14 equals x plus 4, minus x and minus x, add 14 and add 14, and we get that 3x equals 18, or x equals 6. And that's really what there is to it. Even if the numbers get big like this, if I double the mid-segment, 2 times 2x plus 29, that's going to equal the bottom of the triangle, which is x plus 25. So 4x plus 2 times 29 is 58. So you minus the x, and you minus 58. And we get 3x equals 25 minus 58 is a minus 33. So we get that x equals negative 11. And you can see when you just here, if I have that x be negative 11, this would be 14. Negative 11 here would be negative 22 plus 29. This would be 7. 7 is half of 14. And that's what your assignment's on today. We'll look at this one last example. We double the mid-segment, and it's equal to the bottom of the triangle. So 2x plus 36 equals x plus 29, minus x minus 36. I get that x equals 7. Try the assignment now.